What if I tell you that there exists a magnifying glass and by looking through which difficult UPSC questions almost magically seem to become easier and ultimately you end up marking more right answers and boosting your score in the prelims paper? Well, hello everyone, I am Zishan Hashmi. And before your imagination starts going wild with the magnifying glass stuff, first answer this simple question of mine. Why do we use magnifying glass, or when do we use magnifying glass? So everyone knows that we use a magnifying glass to make better sense of stuff that cannot be understood or that can't be seen by the bare eye. So that's the simple understanding that everyone knows. But what if such a device or such a tool existed that helps us to look at the prelims questions from a different perspective altogether, that ultimately makes the question easier for us to understand, for us to interpret, and that makes the different traps, the different hints given by UPSC more visible and ultimately helps us boost our score in the prelims examination? Well, dear students, such a tool exists in reality, and we term that tool as logical paper solving techniques, or TIGDMs as we call them. Let me explain this to you by the example of a question asked by UPSC. This is a 2018 UPSC question. Consider the following. 7 items are given: areca nut, barley, coffee, finger millet, groundnut, sesame, turmeric. And the question goes on to ask, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has announced the minimum support price for which of the above? And 4 options are given. Now, dear students, tell one thing, that is it humanly possible to memorize or to remember, to recall the various lists that are present that we study as part of our prelims preparation, be it the MSP list, be it the list of critically endangered animals and so on? So it's humanly not possible. So what now? Can we solve this question despite not knowing for sure which items are part of the list and which items are not part of the list? Now, in general, if you are confronted with this question, most students would either skip this question or they would mark this question wrong. But using logical solving techniques or TIGDMs, we can solve this question here and now. I'll show you how. Now, among the given options, dear students, among the 7 items, look those 7 items very closely and search for the odd one out. Which item can be termed as the odd one among the given options? Dear students, among all the given options, only coffee, item number 3, is a plantation crop. Now, ask yourself this question. The question is centered on MSP, right? Now, ask yourself, why is MSP provided by the government to the farmers? Basically, MSP is a tool that provides minimum income support to the farmers, number 1. Number 2, it also ensures food security in a way. So these are 2 very fundamental reasons for providing MSP. Now again, ask this another question to yourself. Will such support be provided or justified to plantation crops? Or have you heard or read MSP being provided to plantation crops? So it is highly unlikely that coffee will be provided MSP. Now I'm using the word highly unlikely because we are not certain about whether coffee is part or it is not a part of the list. So assuming that coffee is highly unlikely to be part of the list, let's see what we get after eliminating item 3. Now you can see, dear students, only option B is such an option which doesn't contain 3, and as a matter of fact, it is also the right answer. So I hope you understand the beauty of this technique, how we came to the right answer. We found the odd one out. Despite not knowing anything about the answer, we achieved the right answer. So again, emphasizing the main premise about the so-called magnifying glass, which magically helps you to mark your answers right, despite not knowing anything or just knowing it a bit slightly. All right, dear students, now precisely for this reason, precisely to imbibe these skills into your minds, I have come up with the Revealed by Zishan Sir club on Habitat. Now, this is nothing but a club that will be focused on discussions on logical paper solving skills, the example of which you have just seen. The only difference is that I will be actively interacting with you guys in real time, and I will be motivated by the single aim of increasing your confidence, increasing your risk appetite to answer difficult questions, to answer seemingly impossible questions, and to help you get that edge in the prelims examination to clear your prelims with a comfortable margin. So that's about the Revealed by Zishan Sir club on Habitat. So dear students, please understand the purpose behind this club. So it will help you to boost your prelims score with your existing knowledge base. Please realize this thing. Knowledge will always be limited, dear students. And the way UPSC prelims has evolved in the past few years, it is very easy to understand that a very limited number of questions can be answered by taking help of your knowledge base, and beyond that point you have to make intelligent guesses, you have to use elimination process, you have to use smart logical paper solving techniques. So this club will aim at that factor of helping you to answer those questions that you will be confronted with in your prelims paper. Then it will help you instill risk taking appetite. Now again, especially the beginners, they generally lack risk taking appetite, and this is exactly what we will be dealing with in our discussions in the Habitat club. Further, it will help you to remove the fear of the prelims exam. Dear students, I have been meeting and talking to many students who are just fearful about the prelims examination. Either they are freshers, that they'll be giving the prelims exam for the first time in 2021, or they are also seniors but who have given 2, 3, 4 attempts but haven't been able to clear the prelims examination. But the underlying fact remains the same, that they are fearful about the prelims examination, and basically we will be working together in real time to remove this fear of prelims. So this is about the purpose of the Revealed by Zishan Sir club on Habitat. Now talking about the plan of the club. Basically it will have 20 to 25 MCQs daily. The discussion will be hinged around these questions, 20 to 25 questions, and during the course of these discussions I will be teaching you different skills, and not only teaching you, I will make sure that you get well versed in using these skills. So that's the number of MCQs. Next, you will be having 2 sessions on a daily basis. Now please understand how these 2 sessions will be organized. In the first session of the day, I will be actively participating in the session. I will be teaching, I will be discussing with you guys, and that's how the first session will be concluded. In the next session, I will be present, but I will be facilitating discussion among the students. All the students who are part of the Revealed by Zishan Sir club will be interacting within themselves, and you will be discussing the questions that were discussed in the earlier session of the day with me. And you can also come up with new questions, new doubts, or new techniques that you think could be applied in the questions that I have already discussed in the earlier part of the day. Next, it will be an intensive 10 days program, and you will have 5 days a week kind of a session. So 10 days program stretched for a 2-week period. So that's the plan of the program. The enrollment link, dear students, you can find it in the description box below and in the first comment in the comment section below. Regarding price, the price has been temporarily reduced to 1000 plus GST. Now please remember, this reduction of price is for a temporary period, and also the seats available in the club are also limited. So do explore the link provided below, dear students. So this was in a nutshell about the Revealed by Zishan Sir Club and how it will help you to garner confidence and ultimately boost your score in the prelims examination by learning and mastering various logical solving skills. So see you all at the Habitat Club, dear students. Jai Hind.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.